Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this amazing episode I'm gonna teach you how to make amazing creamy chicken salad. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe and like and share. Yes, so on this amazing episode I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need. Of course, you need your chicken, and then you're gonna shred it. It is so easy to shred your chicken. You just boil it, and then with a fork you just shred it when it's cold. Make sure it's cold. And then on top of that, we're gonna have some red and yellow bell peppers. We're gonna have some sultans, some grated carrots, some mayonnaise, some onions, some sweet corn. We're going to drain this for that. And then guys, in case you want some fruits in your salad, we're going to use avocado. We're going to cut it in small pieces. On top of that, we're going to cut some small pieces of pineapple. Make sure it's very cut into small pieces, and then you're going to drain it. Make sure it's well drained. And that's it guys. You're going to make the most amazing chicken creamy salad. And if you have that with kids, it's so easy. If you want it for the adults, I'm gonna put in some black pepper, yes, to taste, some light vinegar for that tangy taste. But for the kids friendly, just do away with the lemon juice, anything that is tangy in their mouth. But for adults, make sure you put that pinch, yes. So we're gonna get started. It's so easy. We're gonna work on our chicken. We're gonna shred this piece. It's very easy to do that. Shred it. Yes. So for this thing, I'm using chicken breast because it's easy to use. It has no bones, and it's very meaty. To know how your chicken is done when you boil it, you notice there's no pink in the food. So it's completely well done because there's no pink inside, and it's very easy to shred. Very easy. Yes. So we're gonna shred this easily. Finished shredding my chicken. You can come see. It is very easy. So we get to the mixing time. So you get your big bowl where you're going to mix everything. We're going to start with the shredded chicken. As you can see. You can put as much chicken as you can, depending on your serving, the number of people you're serving. So you can see the next thing you're going to add is our grated carrots, as you can see. Gonna mix it up. Here you go. So mix it up. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at that. Yummy. So on this stage, you can also use your cabbage, celery, depending on what you have. So my kids doesn't love so much cabbage, so I like to put carrots, something sweet for them. So I've drained my pineapple, so make sure it's well drained. I'm gonna put that in, and then we're gonna put our bell, the red and the yellow. You see it? Looks good guys, looks amazing. Look at this. Come see. So make sure you have a very big beautiful bowl. You can see. So we've done our bell peppers. I'm gonna put our sultans. Here we go. There you go. So you can mix it up. Looking good, looking yummy. Looking good, looking yummy. Good guys. I love salad because it's so healthy. At this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of olive oil or sunflower oil. And then at this stage, we'll do our avocado. There you go. You can put as much as you want on it. You mix gently at this point. You don't mix too much. So there you go. And then you can put salt. It looks really, really amazing. Yeah. So to finish, we're going to put our mayonnaise for 3 minutes. There you go. You can put as much as you want. I don't want to put too much because of our kids, of the kids. And there we go. We have a beautiful bowl of creamy chicken salad. As you can see, I like cooking mine with your drained corn. And drain it up. It's just like putting that. Because my kids love corn. It's really good for their digestion. Yeah, at this point, I don't add the onions. I have to remove the portion for the kids first, and then I put the onions for the adults, the onions and the black pepper. So here we are. Alright, I'm gonna scoop this. Let me get a spoon. So yummy. So that's it, guys. Your creamy chicken salad is done. It is so amazing. I've done a little taste, but I can do it for you. It looks so good. It is so yummy. Wow. Tasting time. So good, guys. So good. Amazing. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this amazing episode making creamy chicken salad. Try it, comment down below, let me know how it was, and stay tuned for more episodes from Karen Glory YouTube channel. Bye, that's it from me.